I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone runs the latest iOS, because many AI features depend on system updates. Once done, enable Siri, microphone, and location permissions so AI apps can access sensors. Next, install the official AI app or enable built-in system AI in settings. This lets you test prompts immediately. You'll see permissions, prompts, accept what's required, deny what you don't need. These first steps unlock the tools. Now we move to hands-on use. You craft prompts that give context, a clear goal, and constraints because AI responds to direction. For example, ask for a 3-bullet summary with tone and length, then refine. Once you get the output, use the Shortcuts app or built-in integrations to chain steps, save text, share to mail, or generate an image from the same prompt. Make sure to test with small inputs first and iterate on phrasing. This tightens accuracy and reduces extra editing later. You finalize by saving outputs to files, notes, or a cloud folder so results stay organized and accessible. Next, automate repeatable tasks with shortcuts. Create a widget or a voice trigger to run the workflow hands-free. Make sure frequent prompts are stored as templates. If something goes wrong, check permissions, update the app or iOS, and simplify the prompt. Often complexity breaks the chain. Finally, test the entire flow end-to-end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.